In this video, I'm going to give you 7 tips that will help you make better Minecraft thumbnails to get more clicks on your videos. So if you want to learn even more about being a Minecraft YouTuber, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss anything. Number 1. Use high-quality images. Make sure your Minecraft thumbnail image is high resolution. 1920 by 1080 should do the trick. Make sure it's going to look good in different sizes because people are going to see this on phones, tablets, computers, and TVs anywhere that YouTube is available. It also appears in different sizes wherever YouTube decides to show it. Number 2. Use contrasting colors. Use colors that contrast well to make your video stand out and catch the viewer's eye. I find that using a little bright or neon colored text will usually do the job. Just don't go overboard with it. Number 3. Keep it simple. Don't overload your thumbnail with too much information or too many PNG images. Keep it simple and easy to understand. Think about it like this: the more stuff that you add, the harder it's going to be to figure out what it's supposed to be. And in most cases, when it's too hard to figure out, people just scroll on past. Number 4. Use text sparingly. Not all Minecraft videos need text on the thumbnail, but if you do use text, keep it short, sweet, and to the point. If you need to rant and rave about the video, do that down in the description. Use clear and concise fonts, that way it's easy to read. And make sure to use colors that stand out from the background. For example, using white text on a blue, cloudy sky in Minecraft is not going to stand out very well. And it's the same thing for, let's say, orange or yellow in the Nether. Using text with borders and shadows can help with clarity and bring your channel a unique look. Number 5. Use an image that represents your video. Your thumbnail should be able to tell the viewer what your video is about. For example, if you're building some sort of factory, it wouldn't make much sense to show a thumbnail of you being killed by a warden. Unless most of the video is you fighting a warden, then you would use that thumbnail. But if you're building, most of the time, you need to show the picture of the build. So the big takeaway here is make sure you use an image that represents the key contents of this video. Number 6. Be creative. Don't be afraid to experiment with different styles and ideas. Try to come up with something that's unique and stands out from the rest. Which brings us to number 7. Number 7. Test different thumbnails. Instead of making just one thumbnail for that video, you can make 2 and then swap them out every other day or whatnot and see which one performs best. Use your analytics on the YouTube Studio app or on the web to keep track of your views and your click-through rate to see how that video is performing. And if you have TubeBuddy, they have an option where you can A/B test 2 different thumbnails and they'll swap them out for you. And if you're not quite sure about what information you need to input and everything you need to do while uploading your video so that you can get more views, check out this video where I explain just that. Remember, as always, to stay safe and stay positive, and I hope to see you in the next video.